Hello, it's your girl, my Red, aka Maisha, coming to you today with my beauty haul. Sorry about this video, guys. I don't know, I did it with the audios, that's why you can see I'm talking, but for whatever reason, when I uploaded it, I don't know. So I'm doing a voiceover. So yeah, don't comment on the video all like that, because I know my lips is moving and it's a voiceover. However, I wanted to get this video out and I didn't want to re-record it all over again. So with that being said, let's get into it. So this is my beauty haul. I will link some of the beauty products down below that I can link down below. So the first product I will be talking about is the Kylie Apple. This is new to my collection. I already wore it. It smells amazing. It's peach. It doesn't smell juvenile. The scent notes are sweet peach, red apple, frangipani, nectarine, oak moss, and musk. I really like peach fragrances. Kylie did her thing with this. Eating sweet peach, 35. I really been enjoying this. So let your girl know what you think. And then also, this bottle looked very similar to the Kylie Eating Sparkling Lychee, 39. So yeah, and I really like this one as well. The Eating Sparkling Lychee, 39. Yeah, Kylie Sweet Peach, 35. Let me know if you will be picking this up. I have my Yummy Skin Liquid Blurring Balm by Danessa Myricks. I really love this spray. The Yummy Skin Liquid Blurring Balm Mattifying Setting Spray. It works wonder with your skin. You can see the results immediately. My only con was at first that the mister was so fine. I didn't know if it was spraying on my face or not. But other than that, it's a beautiful mist that works. And I had to purchase one of these because as you can see, my other one is almost gone. And I don't want to be without this in my collection. It works wonders on your skin. Let me know if you tried the Yummy Skin Liquid Blurring Balm. Yummy Skin Blurring Balm Powder. This works amazing as well. This right here with this, it gives you a beautiful, flawless canvas to work with. Yeah, I just love these two products. Like I always say, Danessa Myricks can do no wrong. I love her, I love her, I love her. And so I had this as a repurchase as well. As you can see, I'm almost done with the one I was using. So yeah, I maybe got 2 or 3 more uses out of this, and then it's a wrap. And like I said about the spray, I don't want to be without this primer in my collection. Next up, I had to get these. These are the Pat McGrath dual-ended lipstick, lip scope and shade contour duals. I have one. I purchased 2. I have one in Elson and one in Elson Extreme. Let me know what you think about these. I love having a lipstick and a lip pencil together. I was trying to find my Elson lipstick because I really love red lipsticks. So that's why I purchased these 2. You can wear them with anything. You can play them up, you can play them down. So yeah, I just love me some red lipstick. So yeah, let your girl know what you think. So I will swatch these for you. So let your girl know if you will be purchasing any of these. As always, Pat McGrath did super well on the packaging. I love the gold. Love that it's dual end. You got your pencil and your lipstick all in one. So this is the Elson lipstick. And on the back side, I have the Elson lip liner. packaging, easy to throw in your bag, and let's go. Then this other one right here is the Elsa Extreme. So it's the same lip, or I should say lipstick, as the Elsa. The only difference is the lip pencil is a little deeper. So it's going to give you a more extreme look. So that's why they call this one Elsa Extreme. And like I said, I purchased both Elsas because I love Elsa. But you can probably get that same look right here, the Elsa Extreme, if you use a red lipstick and then use like a Cyber World lip pencil. So yeah, let your girl know. But like I said, I wanted both of these dual-ended lip contour duos. Here goes some swatches. So that's Elsa Extreme right there. That red kind of with that deep purplish color. Like I said, you could probably use Cyber World in a red and get that same effect. And then this is the original Elsa, the Elsa lipstick, and then the Elsa pencil. So that's the only difference, is that deepish kind of purplish looking like a Cyber World MAC pencil to me can give you that same effect. So yeah, I'm happy I purchased these. I will be purchasing one more during the Sephora sale. If you guys want to know what's in my VIB sale, let your girl know. Yeah, you could play red up, play it down. You see I have on my Dodger fans clothes today, and yeah, I'm a Dodger fan, but as you can see, I have the red lipstick on. You cannot go wrong with the red lipstick. So let me know what you think of these, and let me know if you're going to pick them up. Next up, this was a TJ Maxx find. It's called the Bella Beauty Under Eye Roller Serum Plumping Vegan Collagen. This is very affordable. It's nice. It has a roller ball. It dries very fast. It works well under makeup. So yeah, I'm happy to use this. It say made in Korea. As you can see, it have the roller ball. I put this in the refrigerator, and oh my God, it makes it even twice as good using it cold out the refrigerator. So you use it morning and night. You could use it before your makeup. The only thing is you have to let it dry, but it does dry fast. And yeah, I'm happy to have that in my collection. So these are my pencils. So a quick recap, my pencils. I have my Danessa Myrick skincare. I have my Kayali Eaton Juicy Peach. So let your girl know what you think. Sorry about the video, guys. The audio. Kisses. Peace.